In this video, we're going to talk about ticker symbol NVDA. That's Nvidia. Now, Nvidia is one of these stocks who are waiting until the end of the month to release their earnings report. So, what can we expect before then? Well, it's going to be a lot of volatility in here, and your IV rank is at 45. So, all the options in here are fairly expensive, and you're going to get some good movement on here. And what do we have here so far on the daily chart? Well, we got this long line of green here. And so that just is telling you that every dip is getting bought up here on Nvidia. And you got the volume here to kind of prove it, especially after that huge gap down here back at the end of last month. So what are we looking at going forward? Well, we're sitting on the 9-day EMA right here. We actually closed above our 131 mark today, barely, but we closed above it. We're closed at 131.14. Our 131 was that area of support slash resistance that we're looking at. We're above it now. So currently, we'll see how we open up tomorrow, but currently it is going to be our support. Above this, it's going to be this upper trend line right in here, that 140 area. We're going to see if we can work our way up into that. And then we're going to see if we respect this trend line or not. Now, below this 131 and this 9-day EMA, it's going to be this 200 SMA. And this is good. We're getting really, really close in here, but we're starting to kind of expand away from each other here. So we have to figure out what is going to happen. Are we going to start to expand even further away? And this 200 SMA is going to run down here, or are we going to start coming back again and then set up for another expansion away from each other? Not sure, but the 200 SMA is currently trading at 124.29. Below this area, your next area of supports will be this 116, and then below that, this lower trend line here that we have drawn. We're going to see if we respect that or not. But again, all these lines of green candles in here on the daily showing you that every gap down, everything is getting bought up no matter where it's opening at. Little indecision candle right here that kind of signals everybody, hey, get bearish. But guess what? Nice recovery here on that 9-day EMA. So and you have volume in here to back it up. So we will see what happens tomorrow with all the news. Like we mentioned before, options chain wise, about an $8 expected move in the February monthlies, $4 expected move within the next two trading sessions. So we'll see what goes on in there. But your Valentine's Day call volume, it looks like it was heavy today on the 131s and the 132s. That's basically right at the money in here at your 50 and your 43 deltas. So those were the highest that got traded in here today on the call side. And it looks like you could pretty much get in and out and do whatever you want in here. Markets are tight, volume's good. That's kind of what you want to look for in something as volatile and big name as Nvidia. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested. You can find all of our socials in the description below.